making actual my video today. Oh my god. I uploaded one video, 4 hours, I got 28 views. That is the best I've ever done. I'm just really excited. And I got 10 subscribers. Woo! I want to thank all you guys.
I don't know.
Becca.
I don't freaking know.
I hope you get 10 subscribers soon.
I don't know.
So that was just a really that was only a couple seconds. So I'm just really excited. I should do like a room tour. I don't know. A house tour, maybe? I don't know. You guys leave in the comments down below what you want me to do. See you guys. Oh my god. Sorry about my brother. My heart was racing. Subscribe to him and subscribe to Becca. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!